I'm gonna come right out and say it. I'm eating fish.
All right, hit it.
Now, as I'm sure you're all aware, there's a trend right now with influential YouTubers, of which I consider myself in that category. You know, the YouTubers with millions of followers, which I don't consider myself in that category. Recently, there's been a rash of YouTubers who have been discovered eating fish. For whatever reason, they didn't stick to their vegan diets, their plant-based diets, and have made some confessional videos, and this is mine. I know you probably think I'm joking, because I'm often hilarious, but in this case, I'm not. So recently, I've been listening to my body, and I've been questioning my vegan diet, and I have felt like something's been missing. And so recently, today actually, I've started eating fish. And it's tough for me to admit this right now, but I'm eating fish. And it's as if my body needed food coloring, or red number 40, or corn syrup. I just wasn't getting enough from plants, and knew it was time to add back in fish. I can say, since eating them, which is now the last 2 bites that you've witnessed, I feel much better. I feel more energetic. I feel like my body's responding well to eating fish. There's a green one. These are really good. Maybe vegans are missing out on something by not eating fish. I had to come to you, my followers, my fans, those of you who love me, who have, I assume, respected me. One second. People who read my books, people who've watched other videos on this channel. I can totally understand if you stop watching, if you stop following me on Instagram, which is at theskepticalv.com, or on Twitter at theskepticalv.com, or on Facebook, just look for The Skeptical V, and don't follow me if you're upset that I've begun eating fish. These yellow ones are especially tasty. So please, take it easy on us YouTubers, us incredibly famous, influential YouTubers, if we're eating fish. Comment, like, and subscribe.